The middle class is rapidly disappearing. The gap between those who are struggling and those who are thriving has never been wider. Most people are stuck waiting for the economy to get better. The wealthy realize that the game hasn't been rigged. It has simply changed. If you are still following financial advice from 20 years ago, you are effectively moving backward in a fast-paced world. To stay ahead, you must adopt 3 non-negotiable habits. First, aggressive skill acquisition is essential. Move away from trading hours for dollars. Instead, master high-income skills like AI management or digital architecture that make you unfireable. Second, prioritize ownership over consumption. Every dollar spent on a brand makes them rich, but every dollar invested in a share of that brand makes you an owner of the global economy. Finally, master emotional arbitrage. This is the ability to stay calm and buy when the masses are panicking. Treat market volatility as a clearance sale rather than a crisis. The wealth gap is widening. By disconnecting your emotions from your bank account, you can choose ownership over status. You can decide which side of that gap you want to be on. Wealth isn't a matter of luck. It's a roadmap of specific habits that buy back your freedom.